Hey friends, today's video we are looking at the new website for resellers, Haulsale. This website, if you're not aware, I do have it linked down below. You can purchase inventory from other resellers. You can also sell your inventory for other resellers. It kind of does the in between for you. It's going to guarantee your purchase and connect you buyers and sellers in the reselling world. It's a fantastic idea. And when they reached out to me and said, "Hey, can we send you a box?" I was like, "Yeah, this sounds like a great idea." However, before I did a video, I want to do my due diligence for you, and I went through and looked at this site. It's a great start. What I really want to see, and they said that they're coming out with this, so do make sure to check back. But what I want to see is a way to say, hey, these are my preferences, and then I get notifications. For me as a buyer, I would be a buyer. I have a hard time getting enough inventory, but if you have like a death pile or something, this could be a really great way for you to sell inventory. But as a buyer, it is really time consuming for me to have to check in every single day and see what the new lots are. If I was like, hey, I want this, this, and this, and the notifications came to me. They said they are working on it, so I'm hopeful that that is going to come out. But let's go ahead and do the unboxing. What they sent me was, and I will say that I worked directly with the owners, which they are super, super nice. And I have high hopes for this website. I think it could be really good for buyers and sellers in the reselling world. Getting rid of inventory, wanting inventory, connecting the two together, and making it really seamless. But because they didn't have notifications, I went on a couple days and was like, I don't find anything. And honestly, I don't have the time to do this. It took about a month and a half. The owner said, hey, tell me what you want. I'll keep an eye out for you. It took about a month and a half for her to find a box that I was like, okay, that may be worth it for me to purchase. However, like I said, this is a newer company and they're working a lot on the back end to make things better and taking the feedback. So I think it has a lot of potential. We'll see what my box ends up being. It does come directly from the buyer. So what I ended up saying, hey, this was okay. It's a new tag, excellent use condition, women's clothing. If you follow me, you know this is what I like. But they sell all various different kinds of things, hard goods, all kinds of different things. Excuse my voice, friends. I am still, my cough and throat is just still hanging on. So $5.87 per unit. This is slightly higher than my average cost of goods. However, I don't have to go out and source it. And if the items are new with tags and excellent use conditions for Free People Theory, Alicia, like I would pay $5 for these, especially if I don't have to list it. So then it goes down and says your details. And I'm just showing you what a listing would look like. Like I said, it is linked down below. I like that you can see they have every single item listed out that I'm going to get. All flaws are noted. So some of these may have flaws with them. Items may need steaming, depilling, lint rolling, blah, 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 blah. So that's exactly what it is. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let me know, friends, if this is something that or what you guys think of the box. Let me know down below, or if you have tried them as well. I'm interested. I have a hard time sourcing, so I'm hopeful that this could be a really good sourcing place for me. So this is Tribal. It's a size small. It's like a dress. I actually have never sold Tribal before, so we'll see how it goes. But I didn't have to spend the time sourcing it, which is a huge thing for me. This is new with tags. It's mocha, which is going to be more of a boutique-y. I'm not sure that this will sell super high. It is really cute, though. New condition. This is summer, so won't sell right now. Sometimes I will buy boxes like these, or when I do my lots, buying out closets. If I'm like, I don't know if this is going to sell on eBay, or if I'm like, I'll only get a couple bucks, I'll take it to like a consignment shop and just do it quickly and get the return right away. However, they don't take summer stuff. Here's another one. This is like a boutique brand, I think, which boutique brands do not tend to do super well for me. This is new with tags, Bagsley Mishka, which is a super high-end. It doesn't have the price on here, but this was probably a couple $100. And what I like about it is it's a size 14, which is hopeful. Skirts, however, don't always do great for me. So far, everything has been, I mean, I haven't gone through it with a fine tooth comb. So after this video shoots, I will probably get these things listed. And then if anything comes out, like I noticed something had a hole or, you know, they're not the way that they were described, I'll put it down in the description. So make sure to check that out when you guys are watching this video, if anything does come up. This is a size medium laundry, Sean Seagull. It does look like maybe, or it does feel like maybe it's silk. No, it's polyester. Completely honest, so far, the only thing that I maybe would have bought at a thrift store is that Bagley Mishka. Skirts don't always do well for me, though. This is like a shawl type thing. Fig and flower, which I think is probably anthro. All definitely more like, at least so far, more summer type stuff. Asher by Fabric. Completely honest so far, friends, and everything was listed. So far, I would not have picked up any of this at a thrift store. But that being said, I never go to tops at a thrift store. My tops, let's look at my data, and I'll show you my data and why I never purchase tops. Tops from my data is not my biggest. So if you're new to the channel, this is the Sarah Style Sales and Trends dashboard. It's a Google sheet. You guys can purchase it down below. If you're a gold member, you get a discount on it, as well as some of my other products and free downloadables and stuff. But you can look at your data to really see where you should be sourcing and what you should be sourcing, what you should be selling. That's based off of your data. You can see here, tops for me is not, where is tops? Right here. No, where is tops? Oh, it's like blue. Here, where is it? There it is. Sorry. So tops for me is not a super huge seller, right? So this is sell-through rate of the tops that I have, the 423 tops that I have available, 15% of them have sold at an average sale price of $18. Things that are good sellers for me, sweaters, 22% sell-through rate, $29, right? These are going to have higher average sale price. Jackets, I don't mind a 15% sell-through rate if it's selling at $40. So while tops isn't like my best, it does make me some, but when I go thrifting, I very rarely will go through it. This is Joy, or no, this is Loft, sorry. I mean, so far I'm not seeing any huge flaws. I am not seeing a major hole. I'm not seeing huge pilling. This is brand new. Frock Shop. Also have not heard of this one. I'm wondering if a lot of these, you know, Anthropologie has like so many different brands. So if you are new and you're trying to figure out if it's an Anthro or not, 66, this is not it. 66, when you look on the tag, the RN will be 6617. That's like the Anthropologie Free People Urban Outfitter RN. Ella Moss, this is, I have sold this before. I would not have picked this up for $6 though. So here's the thing too, like people who are selling their inventory either want to make their money back or make a little money off of it. Plus you have shipping, plus you have Haulsale in the middle of it. I don't know. I'm still undecided about this, to be completely honest. Saturday, Sunday, this is like a sweater dress. Possibly I would have picked that up if I was outsourcing. The thing too though is like I didn't have to source this. So think about your time as you're doing things. This is cut for cloth. It is new with tags, so I probably would have purchased this. Ooh, it's cute too. Look at the back. It has like a slit in the back. That's cute. I love back things like that. Let me know. You guys like, I love like little differences to the back. Theory. A top, you know, Theory can sell, but tops aren't, like you saw in my data, tops don't sell quite as much. But I didn't have to source anything, right? So time is money, and if I don't have to source anything, this is Seagull. It is a size 0 though, and it's a skirt. It's high rise, which is kind of trending right now. Let me know what you guys, Meta Row. This is Anthropologie as well. It's cute. But it's a top. You know, this is so far, I don't think anything in here is going to sell for more than $20. I paid $6. I would have paid, they sent me the box, but I would have paid $6 for it. And I don't even know if it's all going to sell, let alone for more than $20. This is like a dress. It feels like it could be silk. It is 100% silk. I don't know the brand, but it is like a European or other than US sizing and silk. So if I was at a thrift store and I saw that, I would look up that brand. Right now, because I'm doing a live haul, I'm not going to. But this is Velvet by Graham and Spencer. It's like a dress. Made in Italy. A little cropped shawl. So made in Italy. I always like to look up things. I was looking at the tag. I always like to look up things, tags that I don't know, made in Italy. It is wool as well. Oh, this is like a one shoulder. So it said things may need to be steamed. Obviously, they've been sitting in a box. It's like a brown color. What do you guys think so far? Are you going to try it out, or have you tried it out? Let me know your experience if you have tried it out. I think it has good potential. I'm not sure if it's quite there yet, but ooh, that's cute too. Another little back. Ooh, all right. Here's the money spot. Alice and Olivia. Now this one I would absolutely have picked up. Alice and Olivia, brand new with tags. That's pretty, 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 pretty. Now, would that make the whole box? Probably. The other things will just sell for a couple bucks. That'll probably sell for a little bit more. Theory. Tibby. It's like a dress. ALC dress. That looks like a very like 90s style dress, Y2K dress, which is totally on point right now. Here is new with tag with the free. So this is Maggie London. Lauren Vidal. Perfect. Cute. All right, so that is the box. Let me know down below if you guys will do it. Like I said, I wish that they had more of a notification. It did take me a month and a half to even pick out this box from what they want. And to be completely honest, I will probably keep maybe 5 of those items to resell and take everything else to a consignment to try and at least make my money back, if not make $1 or $2. But most of the items, probably like 80% of those items, I'm not going to turn enough of a profit for me to make it worth it. I do have high hopes for this website though. The owners are super, super nice, and I have high hopes that they can mend together people who source too much with people who need inventory. If you guys like this video, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video. I will link a playlist down here of how to make money reselling, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button.